Hello, I'm Coach Joe. This is the prototype for Robot One. It has two motors controlled by a motor and power shield, which is a daughter card that plugs into the Arduino Uno microcontroller card. We have power going in. This is a digital switch. It is used as the go button. This is another digital switch used as a bump and go button. This is an ultrasonic sensor for ranging, and it allows you to construct programs that include obstacle avoidance. This is the breadboard that everything plugs into and routes wires to the microcontroller. This is a noise sensor, and you can have the robot activate on a loud noise. This is a line follower sensor, and we're going to have some programming on that. And we've got a swivel wheel here, very low cost. We've got a battery box and a buzzer. This is a 3D CAD model of a improved design. There's a slot above the breadboard that makes wiring easier. The handle is reinforced. It has a platform on top that allows us to try different sensors. And the first sensor that we will try out is a compass. And along with that, we will have a I2C bus shield in between the Arduino Uno microcontroller and the motor shield. And that will allow us to daisy chain various sensors together, allowing us to have more inputs to our programming with limits, but many of the sensors just come in a I2C configuration. We'll have various sensors there. One will be what is called a peer sensor, and that is a sensor that senses changes in the infrared of a specific area within its range. So if you walked into that field, you would set off the sensor. It's used in burglar alarm systems, senses when someone enters the room. There are other environmental sensors, air, CO2, methane, and we'll take a look at some of those and see what we can do with them. Another thing that is being added is a gripper that will mount using Velcro to the front of the robot. It uses a purchased gripper and a servo motor, and those will all be controlled by the Arduino Uno. So we're going to dive into that. There's drawings, there's assembly diagrams, and there will be videos on how to assemble this. Thank you very much.